to our Teardrop trailer tour. This compact 5x8 adventure rig is small in size but packed with features that make off-grid camping comfortable, capable, and fun. Up front, the tongue box houses the heart of our electrical system. Inside, we've got a 100 amp hour AGM battery, a 12 volt battery charger, a 110 inverter, and a master kill switch to keep everything safe and efficient. Step inside the cozy cabin, where Baltic birch plywood gives it a warm, handcrafted feel. There's a queen-size mattress for a great night's sleep, a Maxxair fan for ventilation, and plenty of lighting with reading lights, a 12 volt outlet, and dual USB port. Out back, the Galley is just as thoughtfully designed, also made from Baltic birch. It features a 4.8 gallon water container, a 45 quart RTIC cooler, and plenty of prep space. LED lights in the hatch door keep things bright after dark, and just like the cabin, you've got a 12 volt outlet and 2 USB ports for charging or powering appliances. The cabinet doors even double as extra counter space, perfect for cooking or organizing your camp kitchen. Off-road capability, we upgraded to Timbren axle-less suspension, giving us a whopping 22 inches of ground clearance, and with the articulating hitch, we're ready for rough trails and tight turns. This little trailer is our ticket to freedom, compact, capable, and completely customized for adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more.